Hello students, so in continuation to S3 bucket series, today we'll continue from the previous one where we learned together that how we can set up different policies. So today now I will show you that how we can access S3 bucket and its objects from EC2. So next we have is like how we can download using wget, which is Linux command line tool to download the objects from any web page. And so let me bring up my shell here, and now I will go to my AWS console. Here let's go to buckets. Let me bring it a bit wider, and here in this bucket that I had created in my previous chapters, this is one image that I have uploaded, and this is the object URL. So I will just copy this HTTPS because we will try to use this with the wget command. So I'll go back here. This is my EC2 instance and I will try to download it here, and you see here it's forbidden. So that means that the way we had added policies to allow my local network or my office network, same way now we have to allow here this EC2 instance network, because that is important. If we do not allow, then we will not be able to download. So let us now make the changes. We are here in the bucket section. This is our bucket, and if we go to permissions, then as per previous chapters, we had allowed here one source IP, which is my my office network IP address, and this is what I had allowed. And now I need to allow here the VPC public IP for my VPC network, and that IP you can get from your EC2 instance. So if you go to, let's say I will go here to EC2 instance. So here if you click on running instances, so this is the IP address. So now we have to allow this segment. So if we just want to allow for EC2 instance for this, then only this public IP is enough. Now we will go back to again S3, and here I'll select this bucket where we want to make this policy changes, and now we will go to edit, and we have to make the statement change here. So instead of one, now we have to allow two IPs. One is my office network and one is my VPC network. So I will just select it, and I have a copied statement here that I will now take from here, and then I will explain as well, and I put it here. So you see here, this is the IP address that I have added. So the small change that I did here is now like AWS source IP. So instead of one IP address, now I'm saying here two networks. So one is my office network and one is my VPC network. Only one EC2 instance I have allowed here, which is 173.190, ending with these two octets. So once this is done, I will just now go and do the save changes. So policy is changed. Now I will go back to my EC2 instance. Let's try to download the image, and you see here image is downloaded. With this I have covered basics about S3 bucket and S3 bucket policies. So now I will see you in my next tutorial with the next section of AWS series. Thank you.
So subscribe, like, and hit bell icon to my channel. Thank you.